Hello, it's Natasha Bailey from Soul Mission. So today's video it's really an update on the Holy Fire 3 upgrade that I had recently, because I've had some really interesting experiences and learning from it that I think would be so beneficial for you. So first things first, I want to say that I feel so good. I feel like the energy is flowing even more through my body. I feel that my mood is far more level, more calm, and it's just a sense of cheeriness about me pretty much most of the time. And it's a persistent feeling. So it's a really great upgrade to receive. So if you can do your Holy Fire 3 Reiki Master qualification, you will receive this upgrade. But what I really wanted to talk to you about today were the main benefits that I've experienced from receiving this upgrade. So first of all, your higher self is more firmly embodied in your body. Whereas before, for some of us, it might be a more intermittent feeling or connection. This is more firmly embedded. It's like a physical feeling of your higher self being fully in your body, which is amazing, because then the connection, insight, guidance that you get is much more direct. So that's the first amazing thing about this upgrade. Secondly, what I discovered was that in that upgrade, my chakras were unified. So no longer do I have 7 chakras in this body, but I have one core main center and 2 smaller centers in the head and in the lower belly. So you can call them Tanjian. Other people call them the 3 diamonds. Other people call them the 3 stars. Now, how can I possibly be alive if I no longer have my 7 chakras, you may ask? Well, I have come to some knowledge about the chakra system, that it was never meant to be compartmentalized like this in our bodies, that our divine blueprint in the physical form was always meant to be one main center in the heart solar plexus area, a center in the lower belly, and one in the brain. So how did these compartmentalizations, how did they come about? Why have we got them? Well, the first reason has to do with how our divine template body, our light body, has been created and also mutated over time by various beings who have been on this planet and who have changed our energetic structure to suit their own particular purposes. Now, the benefits to them for us to have a more compartmentalized 7 chakra system is it's a lot easier for negative energies, attachments, parasites, energetic projections by other people. It's a lot easier for those to attach when your chakras are more compartmentalized like that. So a lot of the work that I do, especially my karmic clearings, aura clearing sessions, is removing entities from people's fields. And the thing is, we can quite easily attract more if we don't do the inner work, but also if we don't upgrade to this much more solid and compact 3 energy center system. So the other thing that some of you may have read about in ancient texts is, as you raise in frequency, the membranes between the chakra dissolves so that the energy starts to flow more freely throughout. In effect, this chakra unification into one main center is an unplugging from the matrix. So no longer is it easy or possible for someone to plug into your energy, to attach cords to you, whether it's energetic, through jealousy, through unhealthy relationships, whatever kind of unhealthy attachment it might be. But it's a real unplugging. So it's one of the things that I would highly recommend anyone to do, because when you do this process, Holy Fire Reiki 3 at the Reiki Master level, it clears out all the discarnates, all the entities. And also you'll release a lot of karma in the process. So, apart from feeling amazing, these two important points is what I received from my upgrade. And the other thing I would mention is there's a lot more mental clarity and stability in my thought patterns. So it feels easier to communicate and express myself. And as my integration continues, I can feel that a lot of long-held beliefs, patterns, thoughts, ways of being are being released. And for that, I am truly, truly grateful. So I am very, very excited to be soon offering this upgraded version of Holy Fire Reiki to you all. And I'm going to do a separate video as to what the differences are between the original Usui Reiki Ryoho and the new upgraded Holy Fire 3. So I hope you found this interesting and informational. Do please leave a comment, and I wish you a wonderful day. Take care.